Hi there, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of 1101 Sparrow Lane. Come on in. You are in for a treat today. This home is spectacular with 3 levels and views galore. Starting in the entry, we have this powder room, and the detail and tile in this house is truly spectacular. This home was a model home and it has been kept in impeccable condition. It has a dual oven system that also works as a microwave, gas, newer dishwasher, and open floor plan with expansive, amazing views. This oversized master also gets those Balcones Highland views, which is wow. Every morning the sun rises right over there. And we have a Texas-sized his and hers walk-in closet and ensuite. With dual sinks, an oversized shower and bench right off your bedroom, what more could you ask for? Wait till you see these views with this door right off of the primary bedroom and the 3-layer deck. Come take a peek. With morning sunrise coming towards you and evening, the sky looks like a different painting every single night. This deck is incredible. Wow, if you love to entertain, what a party you could have out here. And it also has a side yard. Let's take a peek. A home with this type of topography rarely has a flat yard. This yard could be a pool, it could be a play space, it could be a dog run, so much potential. There is a surprise down here, but I'm gonna save it for the end. In the meantime, let's go check out that second floor and notice how beautiful this stairwell is. So every floor, and there are 3 in this home, has a balcony with the incredible views. Up here, we have almost a second living area with a TV nook all built in and beautiful detailed tile. This house is so special. It has incredible feng shui on this second floor. It is literally got the flow of a circle. But first, I'm gonna show you that movie room. So this movie room could be an additional bedroom because there are 3 currently, but there are 2 options to add 2 more bedrooms if we wanted to. Right off of the movie room hallway, we have this Jack and Jill bath that is shared by this space and the bedroom. They did not skimp on closets, as we have a walk-in closet here, another sink, and again, we have a bedroom with views to the front of the house. We have a shared Juliet balcony between the 2 bedrooms, a laundry room on this floor, and let's go see the second bedroom. Another ample bedroom with an oversized closet, and there's one more special space to check out. We have this loft seating area, which also gives you the views to the Balcones Highlands and to the living room. This custom stairwell is just stunning as it's open and it keeps the house feeling so big and spacious. This one takes you up to the 3rd floor, which is quite incredible. And you know, I'm gonna take you there on the elevator. That was my surprise. Just press the button and it comes to every floor. Let's go check out the upstairs. See you there. You know, I have some friends of mine that have an elevator in their place downtown and they put a bar card on it. So you can use the bar on every floor. Good idea. This summer kitchen is perfect for entertaining with a full-size fridge, propane grill, and beverage center. And this floor has its own bathroom. In Texas, we have 2 seasons, winter and summer, so you get so much usage out of this space at all times of the year. And again, look at these spectacular views. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and come check out this amazing home at 1101 Sparrow Lane. We'll see you soon. Bye. An entry to the 3-layer deck is right out this door. Come check it out.